Yes, you do. I'm so, I'm heartbroken, and I don't know what to say.
Dang, you're crazy.
I've never felt this way. I'm heartbroken, and I don't know what to say. I've never felt this way.
She's saying she's lonely. How could you me know it's nothing of you? I could Cody. I keep on telling her, you already know me. I told you, let's take it so slowly till I feel lonely. I took the what if I denied you? You could kiss then. What would we do then? Could we still be for friends? So the pens don't lie, don't pretend. So I can't defend my actions, but life's like a toilet. So apples, but you promised that wouldn't be your reaction. Now when you see me, there's no what's happening. Say you don't care, but that she acted. So I couldn't leave her, left your heart broken. Take this hit as my apology token. Now she's
Broken, and I don't know what to say. I've never felt this way. I'm heartbroken, and I don't know what to say. I've never felt this way.
so now I left your heartbroken. I spoils on for the sake of I'm running round, but boasting. I know say I don't mean much, but one day I'm hoping that you can all forgive me for all the times I said I'm busy. Now that was getting too risky. Gone for a minute and you saying that you miss me. You just got a bit on top and all that. I was just trying to bust a nut like Borat, and I thought that was what was for you too. So the new kind of girls do. But some girls saying, gee, you don't love me. Always consecutive.